A very good morning, dear 6th class students. Welcome to your maths class. Students, in today's lecture, we will revise chapter number 10, mensuration, and the part we are revising is our area. So, previously we have learned that what is the perimeter of a 2D figure, that is only related to the boundary of that figure. Okay, and now what is an area? Area is the amount of space occupied by a 2D figure. That 2D figure can be anything, that is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. They all are 2D figures, two-dimensional figures, where is only length and breadth you can search out. So let's find out the area of square. As you know, it is the space occupied by that figure. So area of square, if we will draw this square on a graph sheet, then your graph sheet is having a measurement 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So this square is having a measurement, length is 1 centimeter and breadth is also 1 centimeter. So that is why it is called a square, where length, breadth both are equal. All the measurements of this square are equal. So all sides are having measure 1 centimeter. This is 1 till here and this is 1. So this complete this from here to here. Now it has become 2 centimeter. According to this figure, if this complete square is having 4 square, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the number of square occupied by this square? How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And all 4 square is having a dimension of 1 centimeter square. So all 4 will have a dimension of 4 square centimeter, you can say, or you can write it like 4 centimeter square. Now this is the standard unit of, not standard, sorry, it is the unit of area, where you can write square centimeter or centimeter square, both way. The standard unit of area is 1 meter square, or you can say 1 square meter. Both way you can write. This is also written as the standard unit of area and this is also standard unit of area, that is meter square. Now how we can find out this area without splitting a given square into 4 equal parts or any number of square if the complete figure is having. So what we will do? We will find out the area of the complete figure using a formula. That formula is side multiply by side. If this is 2 centimeter, then this measurement is also 2 centimeter. So it's very difficult for us to find out the small squares in the figure and then count. Other than doing this thing, we will just search for the number of sides, the measurements of the side, and that will give us the formula side multiply by side, you can say, or you can say side square. And the measurement will be your square unit. What is the unit? Whatever the unit is given, that is, if it is centimeter, then it is square centimeter. If it is meter, then it is square meter. Clear? So we will not split the given square in the equal squares. Just we will search for the side and then we will directly apply this formula. Using this formula, what we will get? 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 square centimeter. So this is your area of this square, or you can say this square. Now in the same way, we can find out the rectangle's area. As you know that a rectangle is a two-dimensional figure which is having different length and breadth. Opposite two sides are equal and length and breadth are unequal. So here this is one square it is of 1 centimeter. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the area? Area of rectangle. While counting the squares, what you have found? That area of this rectangle is 8 square centimeter. But if we don't want to count the number of the square, or we don't want to split the given rectangle into the square, then what we will find? We will find the length. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the total length? That is 4 centimeter. 1, 2. What is the total length? That is 2 centimeter. So using this length and breadth, we can find out that area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, and that is 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 square centimeter. Okay, so for that we have searched our formula, that we will not again and again split this in the form of a square sheet. We will just apply these formula and we will find the space occupied by these figures. Clear, students? Now let's do some examples so that you can understand where you have to apply these formulas. Now see your question number 13. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 and 4 centimeter respectively. So respectively means your first one is given length and your second measurement is given breadth. So length of rectangle, breadth of rectangle, then we will directly apply length into breadth, and the 12 fours is 48, that is your square centimeter. Be very careful about the units. Clear? So where we have to find out the area of a given figure? Where are the words? When we have to do the leveling of any field. Where we have to do the what? We have to do the tiling. If we need to do the tiling on a floor, we have to level the floor, or we need to put grassing on the floor. So you need to think that where we can find out the area of a figure, where we have to carpeting the floor. So many words we are doing where we need to use the total space occupied by that figure, and with the help of that you can search that whether you have to find the perimeter or you need to find out the area. Okay students, so that's all for today. Do these examples and revision of this 10.3 so that the concept of perimeter and area can be differentiated and can be understood. Thank you students. Have a nice day.